Yeah.
Feels like
Real, raw, unfiltered. What it do, familiar? What it do, familiar? It's your boy Taxi PNG, and we are back at it again with yet another man. What it do, what it do. So today I got two 8200s. Why? No reason. I'm gonna take these two 8200s and figure out how I can use this raw camera flash, right, to get an amazing image today. We're gonna play around with it. I might try to light up the pool. I'm gonna try to light up the background. Just kind of have a little bit of fun with it. Okay, I have no indie filter on here, but I do have a little bit of a sunshade because I want to kind of, I guess, control more of what my camera lens actually sees. Today I'm shooting on a Sony A7R V with a Sigma 24 to 70 f2.8. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna be at f2.8 majority of the time. I'm using center focus, and I'm gonna be at 800 on my ISO. All right, so I'm gonna put 800 on my ISO. I have my zebras on as well. If you don't know what that is, it's okay, I'll teach you guys later. So let me see, just boom. Just take a picture of Fab, LOL. All right, so I'm gonna have both of these on different groups per se. So the first I'm gonna have on group A and then group B. So I have one on group A and one on group B. I'm gonna change these differently. The group B is gonna be the one that's in the back. Group A is gonna be the one that's in the front. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and meet up with our model. Let's get into it. All right, you guys, so we brought her back, right? You guys have been asking about her a lot. You guys have been like, oh my God, where she's been at. It's okay, she's back. So today we have, it's lovely Jules. Yeah, I don't know why she just grittied into here. But we're gonna get into it. So I'm gonna be using these two flashes today. We have a really interesting scenario of location. We're gonna play around a lot of different vibes in here and we're gonna get it in, right? Two 8200s, which giving out 400 watts of power, Sony A7R V, f2.8, shutter speed 250, 1/250, ISO 800. I have the Godox X3 Pro trigger. Let's get into it. I'm gonna take this flash as a B light. I'm gonna set it right here so that way it hits this umbrella. I'm using my environment, all right? Hit this umbrella, I'm gonna have one for my actual subject. This is gonna hit the umbrella, this is on a B, group B, yep. I'm gonna have this one, maybe handheld potentially. I want you here. I'm gonna have you here, maybe like here, something like this. Maybe it's like a this, something. I don't know, this right here though. There's gonna be a backlight coming off to that side. I'll have maybe one of these coming off to the other side, or I might hold it, we'll see. Go ahead, let me see. It's all about the angle. I have no modifier on here whatsoever. I'm using a bare bulb, all right? On the 8200, I'm gonna do tester real quick. Tester. All right, that's too high of a power, all right? I'm gonna go ahead and change down that power. That flash power right there on that group B is at 1/8 power. I'm gonna go ahead and go down to 1/64 power. I'm gonna have my group A at 1/64 power as well. So two of them at the same power, matching it up right now. This is A, that is B. When I say my group A, I'm talking about the one that I'm holding in my hand. When I say my group B, I'm talking about the one that I'm not holding in my hand, all right? So my group A, 3, 2, and 1. Yeah, I like that. Hold on, let me see. 3, 2, and 1. Yeah, that's not bad. 3, 2, and 1. Yeah, 3, 2, and 1. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna go down again on my group A. I'm just playing around, experimenting, getting my flash how I want it. 1/256 on my group A. I'm gonna go down my group B too with 1/128. Let's see how this looks. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. I think this looks exactly how I like it. I'm not mad at this. This is a really, really good, solid image, all right? So I'm gonna go ahead and go through this. This is at 1/128 power. This is at, no, that is at 1/128 power, my backlight, my B light, and then my A light is at 1/256, the lowest power possible on it. I'm shooting it directly at my subject. The second one is just getting a little bit of that backlight, all right? I'll do it again, let's see. 3, 2, and 1. Yep, 3, 2, and 1, cute. Hold, look up and off like past me, yep, and 1. Look right here at me. I'm gonna zoom in all the way to 70 millimeters, you guys. I'm gonna back up a little bit. I'm at 70 millimeters and I'm zooming in. I have my flash aimed directly at her, 3, 2, and 1. Yep, 3, 2, and 1, and 1. Every time you're shooting, you don't have to have the highest flash power possible. You can get surgical with a low flash power. You don't have to have it overly high, all right? You can have it low-key low and still get the shots that you want to pull from them without having anything. Yep, hold the 2, 1, and 1. Yep, there we go. Nice.
Ooh.
Yeah. And it don't even look like we're using flash because of how little the power is. And you can't even tell that it's really backlit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have you on that one. I still have my A light. This B light, I'm gonna go ahead and put behind here. I'm gonna literally just sit it right here on the floor, maybe like low key. I kinda want it to kinda aim at her a little bit, so I'm gonna aim it like this, right here in this back part, to aim at the back. You guys can see it right here. I put it right here to aim at the back, and it's gonna hit up to here, and then I'm gonna still have this light aimed at her. So we're gonna have a back light as well as a front light. I'm gonna turn off this front light so you guys can see how it looks with just the back light, okay? 3, 2, 1, just the back light. Boom, that's just the back light. So you guys can see exactly what's coming through here from just the back light. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my A light so you guys can see how it looks with both of the lights, the front and the back light. Hold, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it, ooh, that's too, that thing went back to 1/8 power, bro. I gotta make sure that it's at 1/256. Went back to 1/8, that's insane. There we go, 256. Hold on. That thing messing up, hold on. There we go. Hold it, 3, 2, and 1. Yeah, there we go, 3, 2, and 1. Yeah, that's cute. And 1, yep. So right now I'm playing around with the ergonomics of the overall, location that I'm in, because what it's doing is it's giving me a lot of leading lines to play around with because of everywhere that it's at. So I can aim this multiple different ways at her and line up that rule of thirds grid and get some fire shots. I'm gonna zoom in all the way to 70. I'm gonna get that up top crop. I'm still taking this light, this is going through her eyes with my rule of thirds grid. 3, 2, and 1, 3, 2, and 1. One more, 3, 2, and 1. Light is good on your end, Fab. There we go, 3, 2, and, yep. Ooh, actually, so push away from it. Maybe like you're like a here. Maybe like you're on the corner. Might hurt a little bit. Push away from it and like grab or something.
It hurt a little bit, it do.
It definitely do because you're in the middle.
Yeah.
And then grab.
Anything for the shot.
Grab and like, yeah, like that. Hold. 3, 2, and 1. Yes, there we go. 3, 2, and 1. Yes, there we go. Yep. 3, 2, and 1. Playing around with that angle. And I got that little flash on the floor, really giving it to him. And 1, hold it. Yeah, that's cute. Let me go ahead and get some little bit of behind the scenes. Anytime you guys are shooting, if you have your POV mount, make sure to get it on you, man. Make sure to get those shots because you need them. If you don't do it, you'll never have it. There we go. So as you guys can see, I got one A7R right here tucked in the back. And I have one in my handheld. I have multiple different shots that I can get. One, holding this bad boy over here to the side. Have one behind her. 2 light setup. Easy 2 light setup. Y'all be like, oh, I need a modifier. Y'all don't need a modifier. You'll be like, oh, I don't got a light stand. You don't need a light stand. I have no modifier and no light stand. All I got is a flash, bro. I got these 2 flashes. I don't got no stand. Damn, I couldn't afford it. I don't got no modifier. I couldn't afford it. You guys have no excuse to be able to create amazing things, all right? So literally just keep on going. One more. I'm gonna do this regular standing, maybe standing here. Maybe just standing here, and I'm gonna still have that same one coming off to the side as a backlight. Let's see how this looks. Let me see, hold. I'm still gonna shoot this way at her because I like the ergonomics of this location, all right? That's cute. Hold, 3, 2, and 1. Oh, that's cute. I'm gonna back up a little bit more. This looks really good. This looks really good. I'm gonna come right here and I'm gonna shoot. She still got that one backlight. 3, 2, and 1. Yes, 3, 2, and 1. Yes, hold 3, 2, and 1. One more. I'm trying to get right up in the face. So hold 3, 2, 1. Look up that way. Yep, and 1. Don't move. 24 millimeters, you guys. One more, yep. Hold it up. And 1. Yeah.
Wow.
Hold on, there you go.
Oh yes, the
Come on.
skyline though.
Come on. Got the skyline through the building.
Yeah.
I'm playing around with leading lines, man.
Pressure.
Come on.
I look golden and shit.
Come on. Looks like we're not even using flash, bro.
Oh, those are fire.
It's all about how you control your lighting, you guys. You see that little backlight? It's all about how you control your lighting.
Oh, y'all got
Yeah.
to see these.
Come on, it's all about how you control your
got
lighting,
to
bro.
see these.
You don't even know we had a pool. You make something out of nothing. This was before I used the second light. This is only the backlight, and then this is with the second light.
Oh, yeah.
Literally, it's the 2 light
yeah, that
setup,
light.
guys. It's 2 light setup. I'm telling y'all, bro, it's lit. It's amazing. We're at a pool. We don't necessarily have to use the pool. You have this whole little space right here that you can use too. I'm gonna have you right here on this right there. I'm gonna leave that flash where it's at. I'm not even gonna move that flash. I'm gonna leave it where it's at. I'm gonna leave that flash where it's at, and I'm gonna literally still have that backlight is hitting her from that right side now. So now I'm going to light her from this side. We call this the sandwich method, all right? So that one's coming over from the left side. I got this one right here from my right side, and I'm still gonna be able to get it. Sandwich, all right? Yep, 3, 2, and 1. Yep, 3, 2, and 1. Yep. And your flash angle will change. So every time I change this, the angle of the flash and her shadow all changes. If I have both of these come from the same direction, you'll see her shadow will be casted towards the back. If I have it from this side, the shadow will be similar to that back. If I have it in the middle, straight forward. All right. I want some like straight on stances. Maybe that's not bad. If you put your hand there, don't put it in the right center. Put it like over to like the above the left. So this one. Put that one above the left, and then maybe pull your braid out like that. Yeah, like that. That's really cute. And then, like, maybe turn your legs in a little bit. Yeah, like that. There you go. That's cute. Yep. And then angle the butt. Yep. And all angles. 3 through 3, you guys. If you guys are in the class, you guys understand. 3 through 3. I'm gonna zoom in as well, being that one of my hands are not as mobile, but I'm gonna zoom in so I can still get that extra angle. Yep. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. And 1. Hold it up. I'm gonna go up a little bit more, and I'm gonna put my arm down so I can get that angle. Hold it up. One more. There we go. That was over the time. Back, go ahead. You want me to pull you, or you think you can get up on this? Nah, just like, yeah, just go boom like that. You got it?
Yeah, I got shit on the back of your shirt.
Yeah, it's okay. Anything for the shot. It's part of the logo now. Anything for the shot, bro. Anything for the shot, because it's you. Yeah, you'll be fine too. All right, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put this light, my B light, you guys. My B light is gonna go back here to light her from this backside as the B light. I'm gonna aim it kind of like back that way so I can get her from right there.
I love how we think.
And I'm going to use my A light before we get our ass kicked out to shoot right here. Let me see, tester, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. I gotta go up on this power, on the flash power of this one. This is my A light. I'm gonna go down to 64 because it needs to go faster difference. Yes. Oh my gosh. Your phone? What is they saying? Yeah. Yep. I'm gonna go down to 1/128 because I think 164 might be a little bit too much. 1/128 flat. Yep. Hold it up. Hold it. Bro, 1/128, it just keeps playing games. Come on. Hold it. Yep. 3, 2, 1. Yes, there you go. Yep. Cute. Hold. Other leg. Yeah. Hold it. Yes, there you go. Zoom in a little bit. Yep. Hold it. Yep. Sit to your side. Like feet that way. Yeah, like that. There you go. Yep. Hold it. Yep. Yeah, that's cute. Now, like, hang a leg off. Oh, that's cute. Yep. Hold it. Yep. One more. Bet. Now hang maybe both feet again.
Down?
Yeah, both feet down. But like sit to your side a little bit. Maybe swing, put your feet, angle your knees that way. Yeah, like that. And then like look off back this way. Yeah, there you go. Yep. Yes, there you go. And 1. There you go. Oh, nigga, fuck. I'm tripping. I gotta get the video, man. Yeah, there you go, yep. Looking over, like playing with your hair, yep. Hold it, yep, hold it. Rub it like yourself, yep, with your right hand, yep. Yeah, that's cute, yep. Look off that way. Oh, what the fuck? Yo, this shot hard as shit. Hold on. I gotta get that angle. Oh my gosh. Bro, yeah. Don't move. I'm gonna go down on my flash power, my second light. I gotta go down to 1/250. Just like that. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. And 1. There we go. All right. Good shit.
That was so crazy.
We did that shit, nigga. Bro, like, tweet us some real anything for the shot shit, bro. A card? Oh, damn. It's in a car. I got you, though. Hold on. You got Instagram? I can give you Instagram, too. I got Instagram. Because my cards are in the car. Thank you guys so much for watching, man. It was an amazing time, as you guys can see, bro. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video because we did literally anything for the shot. Let me know down below what else you guys want to see, what other crazy things, what extents do you want to see me go to get the shot. Always remember, you guys, do anything for your shot in life. I don't care if you're a photographer, videographer, content creator, model, or a basketball player. Do anything for your shot in life. I love you guys. I'll leave links down below to everything. Remember, if you want to learn more about photography, www.pnguniversity.com. Until next time.
Taxi.
Yeah! Oh, there's the cookies. Be right back.
I don't need it. I definitely don't need it.